To balance the tilt axis, first rotate the camera lens 45 degrees upwards or downwards to make sure the camera keeps level. If the camera lens is front heavy, please loosen the left side clamp. Move backwards the mounting plate until the camera points forwards when released. Then close the slide clamp. If the camera lens is back heavy, please loosen the left side clamp and move forward the mounting plate until the camera points forwards when released. Then secure the clamp. If the camera can't stay in the position where you've rotated, loosen the two lock knobs and slide the camera up on the vertical bars. Tighten the lock knobs. If the measurement marks is excessively high, the camera will rotate down to the gimbal. Please slide the camera back down on the vertical bars and then tighten the lock knobs. When proper balance is achieved, you can rotate the camera to any tilt angle and it will stay in that position. When the tilt axis is balanced, you can start to balance the roll axis. Loosen the two lock knobs to the side of the camera's left or right. If the camera is too heavy on the left side, please move right until the roll axis remains level. Then tighten the lock knobs. If the camera is too heavy on the right side, please move left until the roll axis remains level, then tighten the lock knobs. When the roll axis is properly balanced, the camera will not fall to the right or left. Hold the MOZA Lite 2 and rotate the gimbal to make one side higher than the other. If the back position near the battery rotates the higher position to the lower position, it means the gimbal is too back heavy. Please loosen the lock knob and move the body forwards until the pan axis stays still when released. If the camera rotates from the higher position to the lower position, it means the gimbal is too front heavy. Please place the gimbal onto the stand and loosen the lock knob above the main board. Move the body backwards until the pan axis stays still when released. When the gimbal will not rotate from the higher position to lower position, pan axis balance is finished. Press the red button on the intelligent battery to turn on the MOZA Lite 2. To check the current battery level, press the red button when it turns off. Each blue light indicates 20% of power. The battery needs to be charged when the last small light blinks. If all 5 lights blink after a long press and no power is being supplied to the gimbal, you need to charge the battery immediately.